In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Fortnite error, pack is invalid error code, and how we can fix it. So let me directly get into it. So all we have to do is first of all open your Epic Games launcher. And once you get into the Epic Games launcher, this is what you have to do. First of all, navigate to the library, click on the three-dot menu and navigate to the manage. From here, click on the installation here, right click, and that is going to take you to this. Go to the Fortnite game, go to content, go to pack folder. Now from here you have to scroll down and you will be able to find a folder here called global.utoc. This is the file and you have to select this and make sure before that what you need to do is at the top, if you go to the top, if you don't find the size in larger to the lower value, if you don't find it, just click over here. Right now you can see the first one is 1 KB. So this is in the descending order. So right click over here, so it will be in ascending order. Then you have to scroll it down here. You have to keep scrolling down and find global.utoc. You have to select this file and select all the files below this and go over here and you have to delete it. Once the files are deleted, what you need to do is you have to verify the game file. Then you have to launch the game and most probably that's going to help you guys out. So these are the steps and I hope this kick very helpful. That's it. Bye.